Hi guys, thanks for watching. We're going to show you a new piece of equipment that we just acquired here at the Tube Hunter. It's called the Tektronix 576 Curve Tracer. We got this piece of equipment so that we could do a little better matching on some of the triodes that we send out and some of the pentodes, but right now we have this set up for testing triodes. If I pan to my right here, you can see that's a B&K 747 tube tester, and that is the workhorse, the one that we do most of our testing on. I've actually calibrated that machine, and I also tested that machine in comparing tubes that I tested on the Curve Tracer, which is a very, very accurate machine, and the B&K 747 is very, very close. But the reason why we got this machine is so that we could, in our match pairs, match them up very, very close, and also to check the linearity of the tube, how it conducts. And I'm going to show you an example with these two tubes here. This is a Telefunken ECC 81 or 12AT7. I have a regulated power supply here that I have set up at 12.6 for the heater, because this machine was actually made to do or to test transistors, and transistors don't have a heater supply, so we have to add that in. But once you do that, you can test the characteristic curves of any tube that you'd like. And this Telefunken here is actually a brand new tube. And so we're on the 50 volt per horizontal division. So I'm going to go 50, 100, 150, 250, and then we're going to put 300 volts on this tube. That's the maximum rated for this particular tube. And you can see the characteristic curves that the step generator in the Curve Tracer generates, and it goes from 0 volts, which would be all the way on, down to negative 10 volts, or actually, yeah, it would be negative 10 volts on this one, and it's barely conducting. And you can then switch it to the other triode. We're only looking at one half of the tube right now. Switch it to the other side, and you can see on this tube how the very top of it changes about 1 milliamp. So this tube is very, very balanced. And then what you could do is take this tube, turn it off, or let's turn it off, and put in our next tube, and then turn it back on. And you'll see as the heater heats this tube up, the curves will start to appear. And remember, we were right about that same spot. These tubes are brand new, so they're going to be pretty close. But we're right next to that other place where we were on the curve, which is 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. Right about 27 milliamps, and this one's going a little bit higher, maybe 27.5 on that one. So these two tubes, which are brand new, which you would expect right out of the package, are very, very close. These would work perfect in any kind of stereo application. It'd be great for a guitar amp, anywhere where you needed to have two tubes balanced and also matched as far as so every triode is conducting about the same on both of these tubes. So if you'd like to have some matched tubes, this is the way we do it. Thanks for watching, and look forward to your business.